In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use paste special values in Excel with Alt+E+S+V or Ctrl+Alt+V. Open Microsoft Excel on your Windows computer, then open the sales workbook you want to use for this. Once the sheet is on screen, go to cell D2. You can click directly into D2 and then look up at the formula bar. Here, the important thing to notice is that this cell contains a formula spoken as equals B2 times C2 rather than a fixed number. That formula is what we're going to convert into a values-only copy. Now, select the formula range you want to copy. Start by clicking cell D2 to anchor the selection. Then hold Shift and click cell D7. This highlights the full range from D2 through D7, which is the total column in this section of the sheet. With that range selected, press Ctrl+C to copy it. You'll see the moving dashed border around the selected cells, sometimes called marching ants, which shows the range is copied and ready to paste. Next, move to the destination by clicking cell F2. This is where the values-only version will be placed. With F2 active, press and release Ctrl+Alt+V. That opens the Paste Special dialog box. In the dialog, click the Values Radio button so Excel knows you want to paste only the calculated results, not the underlying formulas. Then click OK to confirm the action. As soon as you do that, column F fills with the same totals you saw in column D, but now they are pasted as plain values. To verify it, click cell F2 and look at the formula bar again. This time, instead of showing a formula like equals B2 times C2, it shows a regular number. That confirms the paste worked as values only, and the formula has not been carried over into column F. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, the result is clear on the sheet. Column F contains the same numeric totals as column D, but the contents are different behind the scenes. Column D still holds the original formulas, while column F holds static numbers only. Clicking a cell in column F shows a plain number in the formula bar, which is exactly what paste special values is meant to do. The same outcome also applies when using Alt+E+S+V and Ctrl+Alt+V, showing that both shortcuts produce identical values-only results.